Lay out the roof poles and connecting pieces for the ridge and eaves on the ground and slot them together according to the instructions included with the tent. The inner tent should have been packed with both sides folded in to the ridge line. Place the inner tent lengthways underneath the ridge pole and fold it out. Tie the inner tent's ridge straps twice around the ridge poles and connecting pieces. The tent skin should also have been packed with both sides folded in towards the ridge. Place the tent skin lengthways on the ridge pole and tighten the ridge straps. On one side of the roof, close the straps on the inner tent and the tent skin in turn until the eaves are reached. Lift up the roof at the eaves and push in the support poles. Close the tent skin straps on the eaves and then affix the inner tent to the support poles. Pull down the tent skin. Proceed in the same way for the other side of the roof. Align the tent skin on the roof ridge and eaves so that the reinforced strips lie on the poles. Now lift up the second side of the tent and push in the support poles. Affix the inner tent and tent skin in the same way as on the other side. Slot all the inner tent and tent skin straps through the belt end cover plates on the base plates and tighten them. Close the gable entrance points. Slot the ground pegs through the eyelets in the inner tent and hammer them into the ground. The tent skin is anchored to the ground with 30 cm long T-pegs. Hammer 30 cm long galvanized steel pegs through the base plates and into the ground. The belt end cover plates on the base plates should, however, be attached to the inner tent and tent skin straps beforehand. To assemble the awning, adjust the top crossways pole to the right length. Pull out the support poles, stick through the crossways pole and roof eyelets, and tension. Close the Velcro seams. Affix all the guy ropes to the ground on 50 cm T-pegs.